Hi, everyone. I'm Rozanne Ritter with RR Designs, and today I'm going to talk to you about a vintage quilt repair that I did. A friend gave me this quilt, and it was a hot mess. So let me tell you what I did with it. I've got a presentation on my, I'm going to do a screen share and show you what I did. Okay, here we go. Okay, this was a quilt that a friend wanted repaired. And I want to tell you, it was a hot mess. And I knew this quilt had to be vintage. So I like doing alterations and repair work, but I wanted my friend to know that I wasn't a professional repair person. So, and I wanted her to know that I wasn't going to be, responsible to lessen the value of this quilt with whatever work that I did. And I wanted to know what her intentions were. And she said she just wanted it repaired to display on her bed. I repaired 95 inches of seams that all over the quilt. And I repaired the back with muslin pieces hand stitched on. And then there was a corner that was ripped, and I'll show you what I did with that. But I really enjoyed this challenge to see this quilt come back to its cherished piece again. These are some of the rips that were in the quilt and what it looked like afterwards. Here's another one, what it looked like before, and then what it looked like afterwards. This quilt was hand stitched, pieced, and then hand quilted, and it was probably like 8 to 10 stitches per inch. I don't know the pattern. I don't know when it was made. I don't know even the date of the material too. So if anybody knows any of that information, just put it down in the comments. I would love to hear. Even the lady that this quilt belongs to, she didn't have all the information, just that I knew it's vintage. And then here's another one. The hole went like right through the batting and the backing, and I stitched that back up. Luckily, I had enough material in the seams to like put it back together again. And it was actually fun to do this, to see it come back to life. And then I got the top done. These are just 3 different pictures of it. It was so good to see it back together after being a hot mess. And I brought it back to her with the top complete, and she loved what I did with it. And then we talked about the back, and the back was a hot mess. You can see all the stitching from the top side. It was just amazing. And we talked about what to do with the back, and what we ended up deciding was just to take pieces and cover the really tattered areas. And so I hand sewn all those around the big areas, and then some other little rips. And then this way she could see the quilting that was on the back side of it too. That was what we agreed on. And so, and then that corner that was tattered, she had talked about, oh, just fold it over. But I noticed that these bindings had extra material inside of it. So I actually took some more away and then bound it with its material and giving it a square corner like the other 4 square corners. So I hope you enjoyed my quilt repair. Yeah, I'm going to stop that share. I hope you enjoyed it. I really enjoyed doing this too. And I know my friend is going to enjoy putting this on the end of her bed. If you liked my video, just like and share it. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a good day.